Gilgit-Baltistan has witnessed a spate of bombings in recent times. Many people died in an attack on a mosque which was partially damaged. 2 schools for girls were also destroyed in bomb attacks. The attacks, however, were not just limited to places of worship or educational institutions. Pakistan Muslim League leaders Zafarullah Khan and Salamat Jan were also targeted to instill fear among the political class and to force them to stay away from the affairs of this region. Nationalist leaders claim the attacks are the handiwork of Pakistani security agencies to fuel sectarian violence in Gilgit-Baltistan.
यहाँ पे दिन आए दिन जो कत्ल गारत हो रहा है वो भी इन्हीं के इशारों पे कराया जा रहा है इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे। जहाँ लोगों की बड़ी बड़ी इनकी प्लानिंग है, उनके लिए हमें बस या सुनी के नाम पर, कभी सुनी के नाम पर, कभी गिलती बल्ती के नाम पर। अभी ये वज़ीर आला खुद उस पर काम कर रहा है कि ये बल्ती गिलती करने की कोशिश कर रहा है। अंदर से मजहबियात को उजाड़ने की भी कोशिश में लगे हुए हैं। उसको रोकने की बजाय इसको बढ़ाने की कोशिश करते हैं।
Gilgit-Baltistan was a part of the erstwhile princely state of Jammu and Kashmir. For over 6 decades, Pakistan has illegally occupied the region. It now maintains its grip on the remote region through a puppet administration. The Mehdi Shah government claims that it has stepped up security to prevent sectarian attacks. It also claims that 50 crore rupees have been spent on security arrangements. But nationalist leaders say they exist only on paper and nothing is visible at the ground level. Many also blame the Shah government for instigating sectarian violence at the behest of its masters in Islamabad.
या शारे कराक्रम पे जो कत्लो गारतगरी हो रही है, लूट मार हो रही है, ये वहाँ शारे कराक्रम पे रहने वाले या द्यामर के अंदर रहने वाले या चिलास के अंदर रहने वाला कोई सुन्नी या गिलगित में जो कत्ल गारतगरी हो रही है वहाँ पे कोई शिया या कोई इस्माइली नहीं कर रहा है, बल्कि ये बाहर से आए हुए पाकिस्तान के एहलकार एजेंसियों के काम हैं।
Pakistan has been pursuing a policy of demographic re-engineering to extend its rule over the occupied region. It has been encouraging the large-scale migration of Pashtuns from its restive northwest province and a large number of Punjabis. Most of the Pashtuns are members of the Taliban who have fled the drone attacks in Pakistan's border regions, while the Punjabis form the support base of terror outfits like Lashkar-e-Jhangvi and Sipah-e-Sahaba. The influx of the migrants has changed the situation in Gilgit-Baltistan. The locals allege that even while their women and children are subjected to checks by the Pakistani security apparatus, the migrants